Welcome back to the shop. Today we got a small fix today. Something I noticed when I was working on the car when I disconnected the negative battery cable. I couldn't tighten it up and I found out that it was previously broken, so I got a replacement part for it. The replacement part is right here. And it's really nothing to it, but I just figured maybe some people might not be able to find this part or not know where to look for it, or just think they might be kind of screwed. I mean, it works for now, but very simple. We got basically one stud for the cable to go on and your new 10mm bolt to clamp it down to the post. So basically the cable is loose like this, so we need to take that off. So I'm going to loosen this. It's really that simple. And that's it. And then you just return your plastic cover. It just falls into place. And there's 3 push pins. And that's it. I know that's not a big job, but like I said, some people might not know where to get that or how to take care of that. So there you go. So please hit that like and subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.